How to convert a PayPal personal account to a business account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to convert a PayPal personal account to a business account. Switching to PayPal Business gives you access to a range of business-only features. It's also an easy way to start processing card transactions. This saves you the time and hassle involved in opening a merchant account. To kickstart the process, you will want to begin by logging into your PayPal personal account. You will be redirected to the PayPal dashboard. From here, you will need to navigate to the Settings button. Once you've clicked, find an option entitled Upgrade to a Business Account, which you select. After upgrading, you will be asked whether to keep your current email or use a different one. Using a business email address helps you keep business and personal affairs separate. You will need to specify the product or service, as well as your average monthly sales volume. You will then be prompted to link your website. Here, you also need to provide your employer identification number. It also earns 1% cashback on credit transactions. Using your card, you can withdraw funds at any MasterCard, Maestro, or Cirrus ATM. After upgrading your account to a business account, take the time to configure it as you wish. While personal accounts are completely fee-free, business accounts tend to have more fees. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.